I'm gonna just unbox it and then I'm gonna do the try on later. So if you want to see the try on, come back and look at the next video. Alright, this looks like this is a pop.
What does mine look like? Give it to me.
This is mine.
Okay.
This is yours.
Okay. I got one package though. That's great.
I'm pretty sure this is mine because it looks like leopard. This is yours.
Got two. I got two for the Jeep. I got the gem of this.
This is mine.
Oh.
Pretty sure this is mine. Some more leopard.
No.
What are you doing, Boo? What are you doing? You looking for your stuff? Mine's. Mine's. Thank you, baby. Match, I think these are yours.
Yeah, because that's blue.
These are yours, Wayne. This is yours, Preston.
I got one, two, three. I got three packages. That was big. That's not mine.
Yeah, I got you another necklace. Because this other one broke.
Yeah, thank you.
This is for Pop.
Oh, the shoes.
And some socks for y'all.
I always wanted the shoes.
Yeah, these are for you.
Okay.
This is for Pop.
Please be for me.
These are for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, no, wait, because I have to do my video. Don't open it just yet.
Hold on.
This is mine's.
It's not. Oh my god. Mochi, get your own one.
This is yours.
I got one. I got 4 packages.
Okay, baby, look. These are yours. Now I gotta figure out which collab goes with what. I gotta sort it out. Because a lot of these are like different collabs. This is yours, Machi.
Yay! We got two. Yay! You got the bigger camera in the one.
Alright.
Baby one.
This is yours.
Please.
This is yours too, baby.
Whoa.
This is yours too, baby.
Please, please.
This is also his.
No.
Machi had a big. Because, yeah, this collab, I think this one was all his.
No.
Oh, wow. This is all Munch's.
No.
Wow.
No.
Wow, Munch. Yeah, you got more clothes than me, boy. Those is all his. Okay.
How do we have all these clothes? And I got like 100 billion of those.
You usually get all the clothes.
Yeah. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 clothes.
This is mine. Is that the only bag? Yay!
One more bag.
This is this. This is Preston. All right. Let's look at the damage we did.